CyberStandardsCheck is a web-based offering by the IJIS Institute for analyzing both static and dynamic code to detect any security vulnerabilities in web and mobile applications. This standards-based vulnerability scanner closely aligns with the NIST 800 series framework and the OWASP Top 10. This collaborative solution bridges the gap between security, development, and QA teams, enabling them to track and understand the quality of code going into production. To get started, just log in, upload the desired source code, and start the scan. The tool immediately begins analyzing the code, identifying vulnerabilities as defined by industry standards. CyberStandardsCheck is safe and secure. While this device scans for vulnerabilities, code is encrypted and kept safe on our private cloud. Once the results are complete, we delete the code from our system. A local code repository scan option is also available if a user prefers not to upload their code to our system. CyberStandardsCheck provides context, such as detailed descriptions of each vulnerability and the lines of code in which they exist. This vulnerability scanner refers to the Common Weakness Enumeration database, where the tool breaks down the issues into a specific type of code, specific languages, applicable platforms in which these vulnerabilities might be found, reasons this should raise concern, the likelihood that it can be exploited, and potential ways to correct these issues. CyberStandardsCheck also enables users to version their scans, compare versions, integrate versions into JIRA, and assign bugs into a product backlog so developers can address each detected vulnerability. This dashboard is the executive overview of individual and team scan results. It shows the scan statuses analytics, vulnerability statuses, and the top vulnerabilities and vulnerable repositories connected to the tool itself. CyberStandardsCheck organizes findings by criticality so a user can prioritize the issues accordingly. Users can drill down into each category to see details about each issue, the level of severity, and the most vulnerable applications. Selecting the control profiles will also open the National Vulnerability Database to help the developer or IT team discover specifics on the identified issue and correct it. CyberStandardsCheck is a crucial tool for an organization to detect, identify, protect, respond, and recover regarding security threats, and a necessary step to take control of their network. Schedule some time with an IJIS representative today to learn more about CyberStandardsCheck, regulatory compliance, and simple yet effective steps in mitigating risk at your organization.